Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a chocolate explosion box. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several sheets of sturdy cardstock, preferably 12 by 12 inches, along with a ruler and a craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget strong adhesive, like double-sided tape or craft glue. Also, pick out your favorite decorative papers, ribbons, and small embellishments to make your box truly unique. And of course, have plenty of delicious chocolates ready to fill it. Now let's start building the box structure. Take your main cardstock and cut it into a 9-inch by 9-inch square. Using your ruler and scoring tool, create score lines at 3 inches and 6 inches from each edge, forming a grid of 9 equal squares. Carefully cut along the score lines on the 4 corner squares, stopping at the inner score line to create the side flaps. Finally, fold all your scored lines crisply to ensure a neat and professional finish for your box base. Next, we'll add the exciting layers and decorations. To create inner tiers, cut smaller squares of cardstock, for example, 8 inches by 8 inches, and score them just like the main base. You can make 2 or 3 layers, each slightly smaller than the last. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Adhere your decorative papers to each panel and flap. Feel free to add ribbons, stickers, or even small photos to personalize every section. This is where your creativity truly shines. Finally, it's time for the best part, filling and adding the final touches. Carefully attach your smaller, decorated layers to the center of the larger ones, ensuring they are perfectly aligned. Now, arrange your delicious chocolates and candies into the various pockets and sections you've created. You can even add a small gift in the very center. To complete your masterpiece, create a decorative lid to fit snugly over the top. Your beautiful, handmade chocolate explosion box is now ready to delight someone special.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.